Okay, first off, I want you to sign into Dropbox.com. Go to the top right, click sign in, and my email is rachel.rojas@idahoartscharter.org, and the password is dsign. This is all on Edmodo in case you forget. Go ahead and sign in. Once you're in, I want you to click on your class name, find your claymation group. The exosphere is going to be my example. Once you're in here, I want you to select all the photos, and a nice quick keystroke to do that is Command A. Selects all the photos in that folder. Once you have those all selected, I want you to click Download. Now, make sure before you do all this, you are in Safari, not Firefox, but Safari. Very important. It will take a little bit to download, so while it's downloading, you can go ahead and look through iMovie, open up iMovie. If you need to find it, if it's not on your dock, go ahead up here to your little magnifying glass and click iMovie, or type in iMovie, and you can open that up and start looking around in iMovie again, getting a feel for it. Make sure you check this downloads window periodically, many times, so that once this is downloaded, you can open it up. Alright, I'm going to pause this until that is done downloading. It might take a little bit, so be patient. Okay, once your photos are done downloading, this folder will appear in your downloads window. I want you to double click on that folder and this window will open up. Now, once you are done with that, I want you to get the feel for Macs and how you can drag and move things over by creating smaller windows. So let's get rid of this download window. We don't need that. We can minimize our internet. So let's minimize that. Now we just have this window in our background. And what I need you to do is move these photos over into your account, into your folder, so that everyone in your group can access these photos at the same time on any computer. And how we're going to do that is by dragging these photos into another window, into your folder. And a nice quick keystroke to make a new window, a new Finder window, is Command N. Or if you just go to File and go to New Finder window, you'll get the same result. Now you have two windows, and I want you to kind of organize your windows to where they're on top of each other, off to the side though enough to where you can click one and still see the other, kind of like I have here on my screen. Now that you have that, look over on the left side of this new window that you created and notice you have your home with your name next to it and your folder with your name next to it. It might look a little different than my home computer, but I want you to still click on that folder with your name on it. Inside your folder, we need to make a new folder to hold all these photos. That way, anyone on your group can get these photos on any computer. Now, in order to make a new a new folder, there's a nice keystroke on your keyboard, Command-Shift-N, or if you go to the top here and go to File, you can go New Folder as well. Go ahead and title this folder the layer of your atmosphere. Right now I've got Exosphere. And this will make a nice clean spot for all of these photos to move into. Go ahead and open up that folder by double clicking it. And now I've got a nice empty folder, and I'm going to want to drag all of these photos into this folder. And a way I'm going to do that is the same keystroke that selects all of the photos like we did on Dropbox, and that is Command A, A for all, so Command A. They're all selected. Now I'm going to click one of the images, hold my mouse clicker down, and move my mouse over, drag the photos into this folder. And voila, all of the photos are here in a folder on my folder here in my name. And now everyone in your group can get these photos. You've made an important step here for anyone to be working on iMovie now. So once you have this done, I want you to stop this tutorial and move on to the next tutorial on how to go about using iMovie.